A very good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss chapter number 4 of class 10, carbon and its compound, and the topic of today class is homologous series. So now we will see what is homologous series. The definition of homologous series: the series of organic compounds in which each functional group substitute for a hydrogen in a carbon chain is known as homologous series, or the series in which all members have same functional group, similar chemical properties, and two successive members differ by CH2 unit or 14 unified mass is known as homologous series. Now we will discuss the properties or the characters of a homologous series. A homologous series has following characters. Number 1, all the members of a series, all the members of a homologous series can be represented by a general formula. For example, the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2 for alkene, CnH2n minus 2 for alkyne, for alkene CnH2n, and for alkyne CnH2n minus 2. So they have same general formula. Point number 2 is the atomic mass of two successive members is differ by 14 unified mass. Next, the atomic mass of two successive members is differ by 14 unified mass, and the formula of two successive member is differ by CH2 unit. Next, all the member of all the member of a homologous series have same functional group and similar chemical properties. Next, all the member of a homologous series show gradual change in physical properties as atomic mass increases. So these are very important properties of homologous series. Now we are going to discuss homologous series of different things or different like that. First is homologous series of, and we can see it in a tabular form. Homologous series of alkane. Homologous series of alkane. General formula of alkane is general formula CnH2n plus 2. If you write the value of n, then the first member is CH4 methane. The second member is C2H6 ethane. The third member is C3H8 propane. The fourth member is C4H10 butane. The fifth member is C5H12 pentane. Next, the homologous series of alkene. The general formula of alkene is CnH2n. So the first member is ethene, C2H4 ethene. The second member is C3H6 propene. The third member is C4H8 butene. The fourth member is C5H10 pentene. The next one is alkyne. The general formula of alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. So here the first member is C2H2 ethane. The second member is C3H4 propane. Next member is C4H6 butane. And the next member is pentane. Now we will see the homologous series of alcohol. Alcohol has functional group. The functional group of alcohol is OH. So the first member is CH3OH. Methanol. The second member is CH3 CH2OH. Ethanol. The third member is CH3 CH2OH propanol, and the fourth member is CH3 CH2OH, that is butanol. Next series, that is aldehyde. The functional group of aldehyde that is CHO. So the first member is HCHO. The second member is CH3CHO. The third member is CH3CH2CHO. The fourth member is CH3CH2CH2CHO, that is methanol. Methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. Next is ketone. Functional group of the ketone is so the first member is CH3CO CH3. The second member is CH3 CH2CO CH3. The third member is CH3 CH2 CH2CO CH3. It is propanol. It is propanol. Butanol, pentanol, and last is carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids. The functional group is COOH. So the first member is HCOOH. The second member is CH3COOH. The third member is CH3CH2COOH. The fourth member is CH3CH2CH2COOH. Name is methanoic acids. Second is ethanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Butanoic acid. So thus this is the homologous series of alkane, alkene, alkyne, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. From this series we have every year many questions of 1 mark, many questions of 2 marks. So I hope you have understood this topic, homologous series of organic compounds. Thank you very much to all of you for watching this video.